Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio gallery on your website. We're going to use this portfolio filter gallery plugin. I have already installed it, now we need to activate it. Here it appears in the main WordPress menu. First we need to add filters to our gallery. They are called categories here. Let's say we have smartphones, and we have mainboards as an example. After that, we need to add a new gallery. Add some images. Choose a category for our images. We can also drag and drop to move the order of the images and click publish. Right after that, we are going to get a shortcode from here and create a new page and paste the shortcode in the page. Click publish and open the page. Here is our portfolio image gallery that can also be filtered by categories. Now we see that here we have our images titles. So to disable them, we go to portfolio gallery. We open the portfolio filter gallery that we created previously. Go to config. We hide the title and thumbnail. Maybe we want to change the size of the images, make the gallery to show the portfolio gallery items in 3 columns. We have many more options here. And click update. Now here it is. This plugin also has a lightbox script that allows our images, when clicked, to overlay on our page. I think it's truly wonderful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.